Hello everybody, Monty Reed here today, shooting a new video for helping you to visualize making money, earning money. Just want to make a comment. A lot of folks have looked at the $10,000 or $15,000 or $5,000 video and say, oh, $15,000, I can't live on that. Well, that might be your case, but I'm not saying $15,000 a year. What about $15,000 a week or $15,000 a day? So today I'm at the bank. I'm going to be taking out a bunch of hundreds and a few $1 bills. In fact, I'm getting 1,000 $1 bills. The reason I'm doing that is I want to show you how to visualize making money, earning money. Make sure you subscribe. In the video, what we're going to be doing is doing some counting and having you visualize. And so what I want you to do is get a bunch of ones, and as I am passing the $100 bills by the screen, I want you to hold the $1 bill in your hand. And if you only have two $1 bills, pick up one and put it down, pick up the same one and put it down over and over and over, and imagine that you're moving $100 bills from one stack to the other. In the video, you can see the $100 bill going by, and in your hand, you'll feel the one. So just want to help you visualize that money coming into your lives. And, if you just need an extra $2,000, visualize an extra $2,000 a month. Or, figure out the math and figure out how much you need to earn every hour, every day in order to have that extra $15,000 or $100,000 in your life. Thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. I'm going to go inside the bank now and get the cash. Thanks a lot. Hey everybody, Monty Reed here with Visualize $16,000. Counting out the Benjamins. $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000. $1,100, $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, $1,900, $2,000. $2,100, $2,200, $2,300, $2,400, $2,500, $2,600, $2,700, $2,800, $2,900, $3,000, $3,100, $3,200, $3,300, $3,400, $3,500, $3,600, $3,700, $3,800, $3,900, $4,000. $4,100, $4,200, $4,300, $4,400, $4,500, $4,600, $4,700, $4,800, $4,900, $5,000. $5,100, $5,200, $5,300, $5,400, $5,500, $5,600, $5,700, $5,800, $5,900, $6,000, $6,100, $6,200, $6,300, $6,400, $6,500, $6,600, $6,700, $6,800, $6,900, $7,000, $7,100, $7,200, $7,300, $7,400, $7,500, $7,600, $7,700, $7,800, $7,900, $8,000, $8,100, $8,200, $8,300, $8,400, $8,500, $8,600, $8,700, $8,800, $8,900, $9,000, 9100, 9200, 9300, 9400, 9500, 9600, 9700, 9800, 9900, $10,000. Now, in case you're wondering, this is actually another 10,000. So there's actually $20,000, 100 sitting there, but we're going to keep going. There's 10,000, 20,000, but we're at 10,000 now. We're going to keep going. 10,100, 10,200, 10,300, 10,400, 10,500, 10,600, 10,700, 10,800, 10,900, $11,000, 11,100, 11,200, 11,300, 11,400, 11,500, 11,600, 11,700, 11,800, 11,900, $12,000. 12,100, 12,200, 12,300, 12,400, 12,500, 12,600, 12,700, 12,800, 12,900, $13,000. 13,100, 13,200, 13,300, 13,400, 13,500, 13,600, 13,700, 13,800, 13,900, $14,000. 14,100, 14,200, 14,300, 14,400, 14,500, 14,600, 14,700, 14,800, 14,900, $15,000. Visualize $15,000. 15,100, 15,200, 15,300, 15,400, 15,500, 15,600, 15,700, 15,800, 15,900, 15,000. Now we're on to $16,000. Visualize $16,000. Make sure you subscribe. Keep thriving, my friends.